Hi everyone, welcome back to CyberChimps. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a review widget in your website. This widget is great for displaying and linking reviews from all over the web anywhere on your page. It's no secret that online reviews help your customers make purchasing decisions, and it's a great way to grow both traffic and sales. So let's dive in. So first thing first, you need to install and activate responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. And for that, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on plugins and then click on add new plugin. And here search for responsive Elementor add-ons. And then you'll find this plugin. Then click on install now. And once the plugin is installed, click on activate to activate the plugin. Now, for responsive add-ons for Elementor to work properly, you also need a WordPress page editor, that is Elementor. So make sure you have Elementor installed on your WordPress website. And now let's start adding the widget on your website. So go to the page where you want to add the widget. Click on Edit with Elementor at the top. And here search for RAE Reviews. Now drag and drop the widget where you want to add it. Let's check out the content tab first. In the first section of the slides drop-down, we can see 3 default items. We can duplicate them by pressing the duplicate icon on the right and delete them by pressing the X. You can also reorder the items by dragging them to where you like. Clicking on an item opens up the editing area where we can choose an image, type a name and title, and add a star rating between 0.0 to 5.0. Choose from a multitude of social icons to be displayed on the top right corner of the slide, and you can also set a link to the actual review if you like. Adding the review text is done here. You can go ahead and add more slides. I can show you how to style them, but let's go over some other settings. In the slides preview option, you can control the amount of slides we see. And in the slides to scroll option, you can set the amount of slides that are scrolled to swipe. The width slider determines the slide's width. In the additional options drop-down, we can hide or show the arrows. We can also choose the pagination style. There are 4 options: none, dots, fraction, and progress. You can set the transition duration here, which is the speed at which the slides will scroll. Autoplay makes the review widget scroll through the slides automatically. The autoplay speed is the time it will take before automatically scrolling to the next slide. The infinite loop option sets the slides to continue scrolling. If you want your slide from scrolling when you hover over it, you can set it here. And if you want your slide from scrolling when you're interacting with it, you can set here. You can also set the image size from the source file, which is great for improving loading times. Okay, now let's go to the Style tab. There are 6 drop-down settings. I'll go over them one by one. In the Slides drop-down, you can set the space between the slides. You can set a background color and control the border size and radius and its color. You can also set a custom padding if you like. The header section refers to all the content above the review text. You can set a custom background color. This will be applied to the header section only. The gap slider controls the space between the header section and the review text. You can disable or enable the separator here. Set a color and control its size. In the text drop-down, you can customize the name, title, and review text. So let's change a color and change some typography settings. Go ahead and set it to your liking. In the image drop-down, we can set the image size. Control the gap between the text and the image and set the border radius. In the icon drop-down, you can keep its official color or set a custom one if you like. We can control the icon size with this slide. The rating drop-down gives us the possibility to customize the star rating. You can set the icon type by choosing between Font Awesome and Unicode. The unmarked style has 2 options, solid and outline. Solid fills in the unmarked stars, and the outline option leaves them empty. Use these sliders to control the size of the stars as well as the spacing between each one. You can also set the color of the stars that are marked as well as the unmarked stars. The navigation drop-down allows us to set the arrow size as well as its color. The pagination option gives us the possibility to change the size and color of the pagination elements. So once you're done with all the changes, go here and click on Publish. And once it's published, click on Preview Changes to see the live changes on your website. So as you can see, this widget is extremely customizable and has endless design options. So go ahead and play with this design and create a rating review to your liking. Thanks for watching the tutorial on how to add a review widget on your WordPress website. If you have any questions or run into any problems, you can drop them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.